It augments, but you mentioned education there. And I think about your exited portfolio company, Chegg, which lost about half of its market value over the course of the week because already ChatGPT is upending its own business model. What are you doing with your current portfolio, Ashton, to see around this corner to ensure that they are augmented rather than completely disrupted?
So that was the very first thing that we did before we even thought about putting a vehicle together to invest in these things, is we reached out to every one of our portfolio companies and said, how are you embracing this technology? How are you implementing this technology? And I think maybe from my perspective, what happened with Chegg the other day is somewhat short-sighted. Chegg is implementing GPT-4 into their product. They announced Chegg Mate, and I think a lot of the value is going to fall to the incumbents. So if you have an extraordinary product, you have consumers, and you're implementing this, I think value is going to fall to some of those incumbents, and as it should. But and don't dismiss the fact that a lot of these companies have extraordinary data sets that are their own proprietary data sets, and they'll tune their own models on top of these large transformer models, which will create unique value propositions for consumers.